Jai Hind students. So now today we are going to discuss about the fruit. So let's see that what is the fruit actually made up of. So the fruit is actually mature and ripened form of ovary. So the fruit which you are eating is actually the ovary of the flower, and the seed which you see in the fruits, that is actually the ovule. Like if you are eating mango, the mango which you are eating, the fruit part is the ovary, and inside that the seed which is there, that is the ovule. Alright, so let's see that what is the structure of fruit. Fruit is a developed form of ovary which is having three different layers. The outermost layer which you see is called as the epicarp, and the middle one, fleshy portion which you eat, is the mesocarp, and the innermost part which is attached to the seed is called as the endocarp, and inside that you will see the seed. For example, if you are eating mango, you can check it out. You can see that after that the skin of it, you will see the skin touching area is called as epicarp. Inside that the pulp which you eat is the mesocarp, and the innermost part which is attached to the seed is the endocarp. And when you will, that seed which you have going to throw, that seed if you will open, you will see that inside it there is a proper seed which can be further embryo. So the possibility of development of embryo is inside that particular seed. So this is the structure of seed. Now let us see that types of fruit. So actually the fruits are of two types. One of its type is the true fruit, and the other one is called as the false fruit. The true fruits are those fruits which are developed from the fertilized form, or after fertilization through the ovary, the fruits which develop are called as the true fruit. For example, mango, jamun. Whereas the false fruits are those fruits which are not developed from the ovary, but they have got developed from the floral parts. For example, thalamus. So the fruits which are developing from the thalamus, other floral parts, other flower parts, is called as the false fruit. For example, strawberry. For example, apple. These are the false fruit which you see. Apart from these two, there are the parthenocarpic fruits too. Parthenocarpy is that condition where fruits develop without fertilization. So if a fruit is developing without fertilization, as you know that in the sexual reproduction, fertilization is the main content, main thing, right? But here, when fruit is developing, a embryo, a new individual is developing, and that also without fertilization, that condition in the plants is called as a parthenocarpy. For example, banana. For example, grapes. Generally, these kinds of fruits are the seedless fruits. So this is about the fruit, that they are made up of ovary, and the seed which you see inside the fruit, that is actually the ovule. After the development, after the fertilization, development of this fruit, the other floral parts, they get shed off. The fruit is having three layers. outermost is epicarp, middle part is mesocarp, and the innermost touching to the seed is called the endocarp. Inside there you will almost find the seed. Fruits are of two types, true fruit, false fruit. True fruits are those which are developed from the ovary, and for example mango, jamun. False fruits are those who develop from the floral parts of the flower, that for example strawberry, apple. Whereas the parthenocarpy is that condition where fertilization doesn't take place and the fruit develops. Generally seedless flower fruits are there, for example banana and grapes. So thank you for watching the video. Further we'll see in the next video.